Hello everyone, let's solve a problem from GATE 2011 Aerospace Engineering paper, question number 2. So the question is, which of the following functions is periodic? So we have been given 4 options. The first option is the function is x squared, the second one is log x, and the third one is e power x, and then the fourth one is function f of x is equal to constant. So if we just see the function, the definition of the periodic function should repeat after itself after a certain interval, right? So if you just see a sine x curve, so that will repeat after itself, right? So this is 2 pi, after 2 pi, so the curve will repeat after itself, right? So the function which repeats after itself after a certain value of interval, that's what we call periodic function. Okay, but if we see x square, in this case, if we just increase the value of x, then the uh, x square graph will not reduce, right? So the x square graph will look like something like this. So this will be 0. So as you just increase the value of x, so the y will keep on increasing. It's not going to come down and repeat after itself after a certain value of interval, right? So that is why that x square is not a correct option here. So the next question, if you see log x curve, so the log x curve will usually look like, so log of 1 will be 0, so then our log x curve will come like this. At value of 1 it will become 0, and then it will keep on increasing, right? So as you can also see in this figure, it's not repeating after itself after a certain amount of value. So this is also not a periodic function. So if we go to the next option, which is e power x, which will look like e power 0 is 1. So at x is equal to 0, we'll have a value of 1. Our e power x will become 1, and this will come exponentially from infinity and become 1, and then keep on increasing as you increase the value of x. Okay, so this is e power x curve, this is log x curve, right? So as you can see from this figure as well, it's not repeating after itself after a certain value of interval, so then we cannot call this as a periodic function. Okay, if we go to the fourth option, which is the correct option for this, let's say this constant to be 5, then our figure will look like, this is x-axis and y-axis, our f of x is equal to 5 will look like this. Okay, as you can just see from this this graph, we can just say that our definition for periodicity is getting satisfied here. So after every interval we are getting the same value, which means it's repeating after itself, right? So then the option B is the correct answer for this question, and which is the function which is equal to constant is periodic function, right? So if you want to know more about periodic functions, you can refer to the NPTEL course Mathematical Methods in Physics 1 by Aditya Sharma, Isar Bhopal, and the particular lecture for this question is from module 4 and lecture 42, which is periodic functions, and you can also see the YouTube link for the particular lecture here. So that's all for this question. Thank you.